Hi guys, today we are making beef rolls with my students. I'm going to allow them to do it. I'll just be there to guide them on the necessary steps. This is one of the super delicious rolls, and we are going to calculate the cost of production and the profits. I'm going to guide them through the process. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that like button and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. This is FAMEZ Academy. See our beautiful rolls. Let's get started. Clean the table, very clean. Make it so here clean. You can see how they are doing it. I instructed them to clean every part of the table and also wash their hands because hygiene is very, very important. 4 tablespoons of sugar. 1. Quickly. 2. Be fast. Yeah, cover it. 2 teaspoons. 1, 2 teaspoons of yeast. Quickly. Learn to be fast, 2. Oh yeah, keep the yeast aside. A pinch of salt. Butter. Let me bring butter. Oh yeah. Let me see. Okay, put it. Put another one. Put it. Oh yeah. Next thing. What is the next item?
You put salt.
A pinch of salt. Okay, teaspoon. Use spoon. Flat it, or it should be flat, not. After all, they mix it until everything is evenly combined, and then we added water in bits so that the mixing will be very nice. I decided to teach them without accurate measurement. You have to just try it because most of them at home, they may not have scale. So how will they practice it? We have to do it the bit by bit method. Now you can watch by the side, you can see that we are preparing the sauce. A combination of tomato paste, salt, and ground chili pepper. That is just the filling. No. Box it, raise it up a hand. Don't drag it too much. Just be bringing it up a hand. Box. Good. Oh, your fingers are making sound. Bring the one on your hand up. This one, this way. Here.
She's cracking her hand.
Bring the bowl. At this point, we allow it to rest for like 10 minutes and let it kick and also improve the smoothness of the dough. And so I instructed them to roll it gradually and until we have this flat surface that will be very nice. So the girl tried her best. They are children, so it took us a long time for us to get it done. So I was just guiding her on how to handle the rolling pin. Please don't forget to like this video. At this point, we are going to spread the sauce, ensure that is well laid. Every part of the dough, spread it evenly. You can see how beautiful. And then we add our corned beef, and that is mixed with milk. You have to mix it with milk so as to increase the pastry nature of the beef. That way to spread evenly. Then back and front. Look at the way I will cut it. You see, clean this one. Bring the towel. Now we finish it. Wash the towel. You don't drag it like this. You just one straight line. One straight line. Oh yeah. We mix flour in water, form a paste so that we can rub it at the edges. So this will improve stickiness. Rub it well, don't go on. Oh yeah, come and fold it. You see, when I did my own, come. Oh yeah, all of you come this way. When I did my own, I first of all cut off this part, isn't it? Cut off this part so that it will be straight. Your own, you did not cut off all this part. You have to cut off this part and make it straight so that when you fold it, it will be good. Oh yeah, fold. Fold the first one. Fold, let me see. Fold it well. Don't be fast to push. Fold it well. See? Fold it tight. Fold it tight. Control this one. Fold it tight. Control this one. Fold it. At this point, I was teaching them how to fold it step by step in a very nice, tight, and smooth method. So she was copying, and she's one of the brilliant students I was teaching. After everything, we baked, and this is what we have. Very beautiful, delicious corned beef roll. And I tell you, everyone loves it. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.